Although going on an out-of-the-grid camping trip means you don't necessarily have to rely on electronics like phones, laptops, and such, the reality is these devices are a necessity when you want your outdoor excursion to be safe, secure, and satisfying. However, with power outlets being highly unlikely to grow on trees, battery anxiety is a pretty common occurrence for campers everywhere, which is where power stations come to the rescue. With that in mind, we've decided to take the EnerCube 1000 for a spin, and after a week of rigorous outdoor trails, in our video today, we're going to talk about the pros, the cons, and whether you should get one for yourself. So, without further ado, let's begin. Before we dive into our adventure testing experience with EnerCube, let's pause and geek out over some top-notch features that really caught our attention. Starting with sheer power capacity. With 1000 watts of continuous output and a whopping 998 watt-hours of juice, this thing is an absolute beast that dwarfs most competitors. How much power is that? Enough to run a full-size fridge continuously for over 8 hours, or a high-amperage coffee maker for up to 20 glorious pots. But it's not just maximum wattage that matters. Consistent electricity quality is critical too. The EnerCube's pure sine wave power runs sensitive electronics safely, unlike the modified sine wave of cheaper options. And with 3 standard 120-volt AC outlets, concurrent full power operation is a cinch. Self-charging flexibility is another major plus. It can replenish fully in as little as 1.7 hours from a wall outlet, or 3 hours from 400 watts of solar input. But here's our favorite EnerCube charging trick. Its two-way inverter flash charging means no special DC cables, dongles, or adapters are needed. Most portable stations require a proprietary charger, a major hassle. The EnerCube recharges from an AC current, just like an appliance. Sweet! Now let's talk simultaneous device capacity. With 6 output ports, you can power up to 11 gadgets concurrently. From blenders to camera batteries, this thing has the connections to keep your full mobile office or tailgate party rolling at once. This brings us to safety and longevity. The advanced lithium iron phosphate power cell and battery management tech combine to deliver over 4,000 full cycles. Short circuit and overload protection provide peace of mind no matter what you plug in. This battery works hard and works smart. When we first cracked open the shipping box, the EnerCube's impressive construction quality was immediately evident. This thing is built like a tank. The tough-as-nails outer shell is crafted from flame-retardant plastic that seems capable of surviving pretty much any outdoor abuse you could throw at it. Drops, kicks, stacks of heavy gear piled on top. No worries about cracking or puncturing this casing. And despite the robust exterior, the EnerCube still keeps its cool thanks to intelligent temp-controlled fans and louvered venting around the sides. The angled vents draw in the air yet block rain or sand, while dual ball bearing fans quietly cool the inner workings. After 30 straight hours running our setup in a over 90-degree environment, the system barely felt warm to the touch. Impressive. The built-in LCD screen also provides at-a-glance monitoring of all critical metrics like charge level, wattage draw, and estimated runtime remaining. We love that you can shut off the individual AC and DC power ports to conserve juice only for the devices you need. An integrated LED flashlight built into the display itself makes nighttime operation a cinch. All in all, the clarity, usefulness, and durability of the EnerCube's design make this feel like an industrial-grade power station shrunk down to a portable size. This thing is ready to roam. Alright, enough spec sheet chatter. It was time to put the EnerCube to work in actual make-or-break scenarios. Our very first test. A 5-day overlanding trip through the remote canyonlands where reliable power was critical. This rugged landscape gets scorching hot, and we were hours from any electrical grid connection. The EnerCube powered all our gear flawlessly for more than 4 days. Vehicle refrigerator, interior lighting, phone charging, laptops for editing photos, electric cooker, full drone or camera battery station, and more simultaneously. Despite blazing temperatures and nearly continuous 100% power drain, the EnerCube never missed a beat, or even got very warm thanks to its advanced cooling design. When we finally exhausted its 998 watt-hour capacity on day 5, A short 2-hour plug-in restored the system from 0 to 100% for minimal downtime. Talk about versatile and convenient off-grid power. Since then, we've relied on it continuously for several multi-day camping excursions across the Southwest. Whether blasting AC during a Death Valley trip to combat scorching temps or a freezing atmosphere, this system handles widely varied conditions with ease. We also increasingly utilize the EnerCube for chores and comfort usually missing while camping. Hooking up small appliances like electric griddles, mixers, or blenders lets us cook real gourmet meals in camp. And we love having unlimited power for boisterous late-night karaoke sessions. Heck, we can even binge movies off a big projector, perfect for relaxing after long days hiking. Whether it's providing essential electricity for work like running our shooting gear for 48 hours straight at a remote rally, or allowing some luxurious amenities to embrace the camping lifestyle, the EnerCube portable station has become an indispensable part of every adventure we take. So if you couldn't already tell, we are 100% thrilled with the performance and reliability of the EnerCube 1000 power station. Whether car camping down south or off-grid overlanding up north, this portable beast brings the juice no matter where our adventures take us. We do wish the LED screen showed precise state of charge rather than just segments, and a built-in wireless charging pad would have been a nice touch. But these are small nitpicks on an otherwise phenomenal product. At the end of the day, the EnerCube 1000 is quite frankly the most versatile, capable, convenient portable power station we've ever used. If you need serious off-grid power to run high-drain devices anywhere the road takes you, this one should be at the top of your wish list too. In the end, after putting the EnerCube 1000 portable power station through weeks of intense real-world testing from overlanding trips to multi-day camping excursions, it met our expectations and became an absolutely indispensable part of our mobile outdoor lifestyle. Come rain, snow, heat, or harsh conditions, this rugged yet user-friendly battery pack provides ultra-reliable off-grid electricity whenever and wherever adventure calls. An absolute workhorse, essential for life on the go.